Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.